Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Hello, everyone.
Hi there.
Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent.
We're so excited to be with you today.
I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent.
Today, we're going to learn something very important.
Yes, we're learning how to say hello and introduce yourself in English.
This is the most important lesson for beginners.
After this lesson, you can meet new people and make friends in English.
Are you ready?
Let's start.
Today, we have 5 very important words. Let's learn them together.
Word number 1 is hello.
Hello. Say it with me. Hello.
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 Good job. We use hello when we meet someone.
For example, when I see Levent, I say, "Hello, Levent."
And I say, hello, Jennifer.
Very simple. Now, let's learn word number 2.
Word number 2 is my name is.
My name is. This is how you say your name in English.
Repeat after me. My name is.
My name is.
My name is.
Perfect. Now you try. Say your name. My name is.
For example, I say, my name is Levent.
And I say, my name is Jennifer.
Very good.
Word number 3 is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is a polite phrase when you meet someone new.
Repeat. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Excellent. When someone says, nice to meet you, what do you say?
You say, nice to meet you too.
Let's practice together.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Word number 4 is how are you?
How are you? This is a question. We ask about someone's feelings.
Say it with me. How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Great. This is a very common question in English.
People ask this question all the time.
Word number 5 is fine. Thank you.
Fine, thank you. This is the answer to how are you?
Repeat. Fine. Thank you.
Fine. Thank you.
Fine. Thank you.
Perfect. Let's practice the question and answer together.
Levent, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Jennifer?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Excellent.
Now, let's see how we use these words in a real conversation.
Listen carefully. We will speak slowly.
Hello.
Hello, my name is Levent. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Jennifer.
How are you, Jennifer?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine too, thank you.
Now, let's repeat the conversation. Listen again slowly. Hello.
Hello, my name is Levent. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Jennifer.
How are you, Jennifer?
I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine too, thank you.
Did you understand? Let's explain each part.
Hello, this is the greeting.
Hello, my name is Levent. Greeting plus introducing your name.
Nice to meet you. Polite phrase for new meetings.
Nice to meet you, too. The response.
How are you? Asking about feelings.
I'm fine, thank you. The answer.
Very simple, right?
Now let's do one more conversation. This time, we meet in the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine too. Did you hear? Good morning is another way to say hello in the morning.
Yes, you can also say good afternoon in the afternoon, good evening in the evening.
But hello works at any time.
Now it's time to practice. Are you ready?
Let's practice together.
First, repeat after me. Ready?
Hello.
My name is...
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Excellent.
Now, let's practice with some sentences. Fill in the missing word.
Sentence 1. Blank, my name is John. What's the missing word?
The answer is, hello, my name is John.
Sentence 2. Nice to, blank, you. What's the missing word?
The answer is, nice to meet you. Sentence 3. Blank are you. What's the missing word?
The answer is, how are you?
Sentence 4. I'm blank, thank you. What's the missing word? The answer is, I'm fine, thank you.
Great job.
Now, let's practice a full conversation.
Listen to Jennifer, then you answer.
Hello. My name is Jennifer. Nice to meet you. How are you? Great. I'm fine too.
Excellent practice.
Before we finish, here's an important cultural tip.
In English-speaking countries, people say, how are you, a lot.
Yes. Sometimes it's just a greeting. You don't need to give a long answer.
Just say, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm good, thanks.
Quick and simple.
Also, remember to smile when you say hello.
Smiling is important in all languages.
Here are some bonus phrases you can use.
Hi. Informal hello. Hey. Very informal with friends. Good to see you when you see someone again.
But for beginners, hello is perfect.
Great job today. Let's review what we learned.
Today, you learned 5 important words.
1. Hello.
2, my name is.
3. Nice to meet you.
4, how are you?
5. Fine. Thank you.
With these 5 phrases, you can introduce yourself to anyone.
Practice these words every day.
Try to use them when you meet new people.
You can do it.
In the next episode, we're going to learn about numbers.
Numbers 1 to 20. It's going to be fun.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel
Click the bell icon so you don't miss our next lesson.
and leave a comment. Tell us, what's your name?
Practice my name is.
We read all your comments.
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.